Hello everyone, welcome to WPManageNinja. Today we are going to show you how you can monetize your courses in FluentCommunity. So creating a course requires lots of skill, knowledge and expertise. If you have created a course that helps people growing their careers, you already have a head start. And now it's time to take a step further. And this video is all about turning your courses into a sustainable income source. So with FluentCommunity, you can monetize the courses whether your course is already live or still in draft. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to level up the community game and show you how you can monetize your courses to start charging for them. As you know, Fluent products are all about user needs and flexibility, and FluentCommunity is no exception. It allows users to monetize community courses, whether you are using Fluent Forms or Paymattic. So for this walkthrough, I'm going with Paymattic, a powerful WordPress plugin designed for easy and secure transactions. It supports 14 plus payment options and Stripe payment completely free over 135 plus currencies. And only a few simple steps to set up. That's why it's perfectly fit for my requirements. So most importantly, I will use the free version of Paymattic to make the monetization more simpler and yet more profitable for me. So let's get into the process. So this is my FluentCommunity admin hub where I can get all the access. Like you can see portal settings, customization, there are advanced features. You can manage your course contents. Also, we have some documentation for getting all the insights. Okay, you can go over there. Okay, for now, I'm going to go to the portal. As you can see, I'm just landed on the feed page where I have space options, that I have e-learning discussion forum space. I have some course build, like I have 3 courses and some members and leaderboard. Okay, for now we are going to the course. As you can see, there are 3 courses and I want to monetize this course, like for the code foundations. So for that, I just hit view course. As you can see, there is a message. This course is in draft status and only visible to the admin because I set it as a draft mode, and after all the setup, I will publish it. No worry about it. Just hit edit lessons. Okay, as you can see, here is my lessons and the sections, and all the course materials are there. So I'm gonna monetize it. Okay, just hit 3 dot from the top right corner and hit edit course. Okay, I'm just landed in the general settings. As you can see, there is course title, my slug for identify this course specifically. Here is some short descriptions that I added. Menu group, definitely courses because this is a course type. Status, as you can see, there is status is draft and have access control and everything is okay. So here is my lock screen type, and it is very important because I'm going to change it from default to custom. Okay, if I keep the lock screen type to default, the lock screen will not be shown to the non-members, and I have to add learners manually. So I'm going to create a personalized payment system for my learners. So that's why custom is the right pick for me. So I'm going to pick custom. Okay. So here is my enrollment type. I make it self-paced because I want to grow my community and all the members, who easily can access my course, and also my course content will be available immediately. Okay. So there is also 3 options: structured, schedules. You can go for them. So I'm gonna not touch anything in the features customizations. I'll keep it as it is. Okay. And as you can see, here is my thumbnail and everything is look good. So just save changes. Oh, I just forgot to set up the lock screen type. So here you can see the lock screen. Okay, nice. Well, I have the lock screen now, and I have got some page blocks, namely banner, description, lessons, and call to actions. So if I tap on the I button, okay, the block will disappear. And if I do that again, then it will reappear. So this is very convenient for me that as I can pick whichever I want and make the lock screen perfect for my use case. So this time I keep 3 things for this, as the functionalities in the banner and call to action button seems to be the same. So I'll hide the banner for now. Okay, and keep the description that will tell more about, to the learners about my course. Just going there, I have created earlier my description, so I'm just gonna paste it there. Nice. As you can see, there is my description. So I'm going to make my call to action Okay, there is two options. There is one is content and other is design. So I'm gonna add my heading for the content. Okay, so my heading would be code foundations. This one, I'm gonna going to copy and paste it there. As you can see, whenever I add it, it can easily shown up there. Okay, so again, the banner description, I'm gonna keep it blank. I don't need anything. So this is very important, the button level. If I add enroll now, which sounds better. Okay, so another important part is button link, where I'm going to embed the payment form link. So it stays empty for now. So I will come back and embed in the payment form zone. So keep it in mind. Moving on to the design, where I will add my background image for the call to action. So here is my image and I'm gonna open it. As you can see, my image already opened, and there is lot more options like overlay color. You can color your heading, also color your text, button label, and background image. I'm going to change my button background as blue. It's nice looking, right? Okay, just hit and save. So alright, the lock screen is pretty much done. Just one more thing to go. I need a payment form to collect payments. So for this, I will be using Paymattic, as you can see, which makes the process incredibly easy. So let's get into it. Here I'll open the integration tab and enable the integration with FluentCommunity. It was disabled, I'll just enable it. Then I'll move to all forms and select add new forms. Okay. And of course, start with a blank one. Just hit plus button and take name field. And you can also add email field. Okay, I'm going to add the payment item. You can search there. Here is the payment item. It's nice. As I'm going to take the payments using this field, so I'll rename the field to course fee. Just click on there. It will look nice. Okay, and then make the field required so that no one can, submit the form skipping this input field. So I'll also enable images so that I can add one. I have got some other options as well. So as I'm not providing any additional material, I'll stick with a single item. Okay, and after that I will just add the pricing. So my course pricing would be $79.99. After that, I'll adjust tick the box to show the item title and price. Okay, all ticks, and hit update. I enabled my image button. That's why I can easily upload from my laptop. Just select it and upload it. As you can see, there is my image. I already uploaded. So the pricing is set, but one thing is missing there. To be honest, the most important thing is missing, the payment method. So without this, I can't take payments. So I will tap back to the plus button. If I choose payment method, or as you can see, there is payment method. So this will automatically fetch all available payment options and let my learners choose their preferred one. So as I'm using the free version, I have access to Stripe only. So I have already activated it earlier. You need to activate it from your end. Okay, and you can see it's already there. And if you want more payment options like PayPal, Razorpay, and more, you need to upgrade to the Pro. Well, it's time to customize the submit button. So let's change it something more interesting. I think Pay Now is more sounds better. Okay, so let's change it. Just hit now. It looks cool, right? Okay, just hit save. So the form is set. Now I need to connect the form with the course I want to sell. So this is why I'll go to the integrations. And integrations, you can see there is FluentCommunity come out. Okay, let's go with it, and here's comes the integration feed. Okay, so I'll keep the feed name as it is, and handy back the course I want to monetize. I can even monetize multiple courses using this payment form as well. Yeah, one more thing is very important, that my course was draft mode, so I need to make it published, then it will be visible over there. Okay, so just go to the portal, hit edit course, and this is the status button. As you can see, I was make it draft, I will make it published. Awesome. Just hit save and changes. Let's see the magic, and my courses appear. So just add this. You can, if you want multiple course, you can also add. Okay, so this is something genuine, time setting stuff. So let's get going. Then I'll map the email field as it is, email address. Okay, after that I have got the data mapping part for new users. Okay, here I'll add shortcode for full name. Keep the password part empty. This will generate password automatically for them. Okay, so now I have some checkboxes. Here I will take the first one to ensure my learner can log in automatically after submitting the form, and also enable the third one, okay, to make sure enrollment on successful after payment only. So I'll leave the other ones. I think everything is set, so let's create the feed, and it's successfully done. Once the form is submitted, I need to redirect my learners to the course, so let's set it up. So open the settings and change the confirmation type to custom URL. Okay, as I am logged in as an admin, so my learner can't access using the same URL I'm currently on. So this is why I'm going to use the course slug here. So here is my course slug. As you can see, I'm going to copy it and paste it there. And the link should be in this format. First, the community URL. So I have to copy my community URL. So here is my community URL. Okay, and then the slash courses, the slash the slug of the courses, and then add lessons. That's it. So let's add this and save the confirmation settings. Well, the form is ready to take payment. So now it's time to copy the form's shortcode and embed it into the page. So here's my shortcode. I'm going to embed it into the page. I'm going to add a page. It should be course fee. And I'm going to add my shortcode. Okay, just hit the save draft and publish it. Yeah, awesome. As you can see, there is a course fee, my page title, my name, email address. Here is my image, and the course fee is saying $79.99. Okay, so as I have set the privacy of my community to public, so I'll just go to there. As you can see, go to the settings. So as I have set the privacy of my community to public, so anyone can view my community, and the best part is anyone from the part can join my course, and they don't even have to be a part of my community for that. The moment of truth is here, and believe me, my finger is crossed right now. So let's see if it works perfectly fine or not. As you can see, my payment form is set. Now I'm going to copy the link and embed it to the course. And call to action, and just embed it over there, and save and close. Nice. So now just copy the link and new incognito mode, just paste it there. Go to the course, view the course, and as you can see, there is Enroll Now button. So if I hit the Enroll Now, then it will redirect to the payment page. So here I need to give my name, like and you need to add an email address. And just hit pay now. As I integrated the Stripe payment method, so it will be a new pop-up window will be open. Okay, so I'm giving my card information. So cardholder name, the country of region, United States. Give your postal code. I don't need this, just hit pay now. So it's processing now and your payment is successful. And when I make the payment, I will be enrolled in the course directly. Surely the same thing will happen with my learners. That's how, using the free version of Paymattic, I can receive payments from my learners and monetize my courses in FluentCommunity effortlessly. So if you want to spread knowledge, at the same time you are thinking of making it a source of income, this is how you can do it. Tell us which course you are gonna monetize first in the comment section, and if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Be a moneymaker, build a learning platform with a thriving community effortlessly. And to make it happen, grab FluentCommunity today.